At Fuski AI, we empower individuals to master the art of how to learn so that they can tackle careers and challenges that don't even exist yet. Even the best of upskilling programs are struggling to deliver because most are learning transient skills without supplementing them with cognitive skills. Cognitive skills exercises make learning sticky. The present twin jobs and talent crisis is symptomatic of the fact that people and institutions are doubling down on usual upskilling models while expecting different outcomes for a rapidly changing world. Fuski's AI-driven assessment and activity engines drive self-acquired ability to learn and build the cognitive capabilities that make learning sticky. While short-term upskilling on data, tech, AI, etc. are embraced, we must remember that these are transient skills. That means these skills are likely to be replaced by other in-demand skills. Fuski has a dual focus on developing the immediate in-demand skills and at the same time ensuring development of cognitive skills to think critically and independently. Fuski shifts focus from rote learning to inquiry-based methods. This learning-to-learn approach equips students with skills that support lifelong adaptability. Despite its importance, there is no easy or structured way to develop this meta skill, leaving individuals unprepared for rapidly changing careers and economies. Fuski AI solves this problem with an improved pedagogy based on scientific research, enabled through an AI-driven web platform that empowers users to learn how to learn. We use real-time cognitive and behavioral assessments to deliver personalized activities that systematically enhance critical skills like creativity, resilience, critical thinking, and self-regulation. Fuski AI doesn't just teach, it transforms how people learn. The numbers tell a compelling story. The global market for 21st century skills is a $30 billion opportunity. Unlike traditional rote learning models or generic skill platforms, we individualize learning journeys using AI, creating a deeply engaging and impactful experience. This approach gives us a strong competitive edge and a clear early mover advantage. Our Fuski AI Chrome extension for YouTube-based self-learning is live and generates early user feedback. This momentum validates the market's readiness for our solution. This, however, is only about 20% of the final product. Abhinav is a seasoned entrepreneur with a proven track record of building and scaling innovative solutions. With an Oxford MBA and prior experience at leading organizations like AMD and Honeywell, Abhinav brings unparalleled expertise in product and operations across IoT, hardware, and software. He's a two-time entrepreneur with a successful exit under his belt, and his leadership ensures that Fuski stays at the cutting edge of redefining learning for the future. Somajit is a sales and fundraising strategist. And Exeter MBA graduate, Somajit's extensive experience spans education, agriculture, healthcare sectors, and startup investments. He has held leadership roles at prestigious institutions like IIM Calcutta and IIT Kharagpur. His ability to build strategic partnerships and navigate the funding landscape has been critical in driving Fuski's growth and outreach. A Cannes Lions Grand Prix winner and a graduate of the Digital Data Strategy program at Hyper Island, Stockholm. With nearly 3 decades of experience working with global clients at agencies like JWT and Leo Burnett, Shubhendu brings a creative edge and strategic vision that make Fuski's brand strategy and market penetration stand out. He also runs a successful data science consulting and training business in Singapore. Ahana is an MBA from Nottingham Trent University and has certifications from Cambridge CIE. Ahana has spent her career modernizing education. Her hands-on experience as an educator and practitioner ensures that Fuski's platform is deeply rooted in scientific and educational rigor. Ahana's professional journey also includes working with renowned firms like Low Lintas and at Factors PR, making her a vital part of Fuski's mission. Fuski.ai is on a mission to redefine learning in the 21st century. With proven market interest, a massive market, and a world-class team, we are ready to lead this transformation. Together, we can create a future where the ability to learn is universal. Thank you.